This is a rational equation in which you're asked to solve for x. And unlike the other problems that we've seen, this one involves more than just one fraction equals one fraction. So as it's written, cross multiplication would not be our choice here. But we will want to remove the fractions, get rid of the denominators. Before we do that, though, we do have to remember that in a rational expression, we never want the denominator to be 0. You can't divide by 0. A fraction that's divided by 0 is undefined. So we don't want x plus 18 to be 0. Solve for x. We can't have x being an answer of negative 18. Otherwise, that would make the denominator 0, and the fraction would be undefined. So you have to keep this in the back of your mind, that x can't be negative 18 as a solution. It would make the denominator 0. To clear fractions, we want to find the least common denominator. We look at the factors of these denominators, and one factor that two of the fractions have in common is x plus 18. The other factor is 19. And I'm going to write that factor down, or write that least common denominator down next to each of these fractions. And what will happen is the denominators then will cancel with one of those factors in the numerator. So I've got x plus 18 canceling with x plus 18, and I'm left with 19x minus 1 times x plus 18 equals, and then the x plus 18s cancel here, negative 18 times 19, negative 342. Distribute the negative through the parenthesis grouping here. Combine like terms. And then solve for x. So add 18 to both sides. So I have 18x equals negative 324. Divide by 18. So far everything looks good until I actually divide negative 324 by 18, and I see that the answer is negative 18. But we said at the very beginning, x cannot be the number negative 18 as a solution. So in this problem, there is no solution. So on all of these rational equations, you do have to check at the very beginning up here, what do you need to stay away from as a solution? And then if you come up with it, that's how we're getting the answer, no solution, for this equation.